Legacy and commemoration of Rizal. Background: who was Jose Rizal? Jose Rizal is a national hero of the Philippines. He was a Filipino polymath, nationalist, and writer who played a crucial role in the country's struggle for independence from Spanish colonial rule for approximately 333 years from 1565 to 1898. What is Jose Rizal known for? Jose Rizal is known for his writing and activism during the Spanish colonial period in the Philippines. Rizal's most notable contribution includes his writings which advocated for political reforms and social change in the Philippines. Honoring the legacy of Jose Rizal, Rizal Day, a time for remembrance. Rizal Day, observed annually on December 30, marks the anniversary of Jose Rizal's execution in 1896 at Bagong Bayan, now known as Luneta in Manila. This solemn occasion serves as a poignant reminder of his ultimate sacrifice for the nation's freedom and the ideals he fought for until his last breath. It is a day of reflection and reverence, a time when Filipinos pause to honor his courage and legacy. 2. Jose Rizal's birthday, a call to honor. On June 19, the Philippines celebrates the birthday of Jose Rizal as his life and teachings continue to inspire generations. His birthday serves as an opportunity to pay homage to his memory and reignite the spirit of heroism within ourselves. It is a time to reflect on his extraordinary contribution and how his ideals remain relevant in shaping our nation's future. Third, memorials and statues of Rizal. Jose Rizal is remembered for his intelligence, courage, passion, and of course, his spirit of patriotism. To this day, he reminds the people of the Philippines how important our independence is. Rizal Day is a Philippine national holiday and is annually celebrated on December 30th to commemorate the life and works of our hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. His founding of a La Liga Filipina in 1892, a self-help organization that got people involved in the reforms in the colonial government, had an effect in the beginnings of the Philippine Revolution which resulted in Philippine independence in 1898. In honor of Jose Rizal, various establishments were named after him including streets, a universities, and even a province. Last, Buhayani Festival. Calambeños keep alive the legacy and memory of Laguna's favorite son and national hero Jose Rizal in a festival that also marked his 162nd birth anniversary on June 19. Calamba, Rizal birthplace staged the Buhayani Festival that displayed his legacy and teachings to keep his memories alive, particularly among the youth which have been regarded as the nation's hope. Rizal descendant and Calamba City Mayor Roseller Rizal said it was a moral obligation and responsibility of every Calambeño to always keep Rizal's teaching and legacy alive. Places that were important to Jose Rizal's life. Calamba, his birthplace to gain a deeper understanding of his roots and early influences. Second, Fort Santiago, where Rizal was imprisoned and reflect on his unwavering dedication to the cause of Philippine independence. And last, Rizal Park, also known as Luneta Park, an iconic park that carries a rich history as it is the location where the country's national hero Dr. Jose Rizal was executed. In this location, you will discover the Rizal Monument is accompanied by a tall flagpole that reaches 46 meters and is guarded by sentries in full regalia inside the monument. You will find the physical remains of Jose Rizal. This monument holds great significance as it represents Filipino nationhood. These places have special meaning because they connect us to Rizal's story. Walking where he walked and seeing what he saw help us understand and appreciate the amazing persons he was. And that's all. Thank you.